ये पीछे से कौन तस्वीर ले रहा था? ये खातून बैठी हैं क्या ग्रीन चीज से फोन पिक्चर ले रही हैं? आपसे बात कर रहे हैं जो पीछे मुड़ के देख रही हैं आप जी। व्हाट स्टैंड अप? व्हाट आर यू इन योर हैंड? डायरीज। सर इनका देखिए वो फोन में देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं। यू नो व्हाट वाज द ग्रीन लाइट दैट शोन? अच्छा विल जस्ट कम इन अ लिटिल वाइल। यू देख लें इनका। सलमान साहब प्लीज रैप इट अप।
जी मैं कर रहा हूँ सर। देखिए सर मुझे सवाल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ द मैटर। दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली
वी जस्ट टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक। यू मे नॉट बी टायर्ड।
हार्ट बड़ी देर से
वी आर स्लाइटली ओल्डर देन
हम
यू।
उस पे जा रहे हैं।
वो हार्ट कमजोर होता जा रहा है।
वी आर मूविंग अराउंड दिस हार्ट एंड इंशाल्लाह वी विल स्ट्रेंथन इट।
This has to be understood.
This is the main point, my lord, in all of this. Is the constitution some kind of a procedural rigmarole? You join a party with one member and 87 people have weight. You join a party otherwise and you have zero weight. That is what we're dealing with.
But what I understand, this is not your case.
Actually,
Yes, it is my case, sir. It is my case.
You just want to be a member of the.
Sir, in a
we'll take a slightly longer break to let you refresh yourself and sort of 2:30 or 2:35
As my lord, please.
2:40 कर लेते हैं, ठीक है?
Very kind. Observations that I have come up with this, your lordship's observations have suggested two ways forward. Our case originally was simply this.
अब अपना केस आगे उठाइए।
हमारा केस
हमारा
तो
काम
यही
नहीं है,
है,
आपका केस।
हमारा केस तो यही है कि we have lawfully, in accordance with the constitution, we are entitled to be treated ultimately
Please,
as candidates of the SIC.
Got your point. Next point.
So that is one submission. Then, my lord, I move on to what my lord has called the falsafa, but that is very important in interpreting this 51(6) D&E. And I'll just quickly point to these judgments without reading anything. Kindly see this paperwork before your lordships.
आप हमें बता दें प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, जजमेंट्स।
प्रिंसिपल्स ये हैं।
पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट बैठा हुआ है, आप हमें जजमेंट्स पढ़ा रहे हैं।
जजमेंट्स आपकी,
आप बता देना ये प्रिंसिपल है, हम नोट कर लेंगे।
प्रिंसिपल ये है कि in interpreting any part of the constitution, in particular those that deal with elections, this court will give primacy to the role of political parties. And when independents have joined a political party, their joining that political party will not be rendered consequenceless through an interpretation of the word each or such. It is the holistic reading. After 3 days, there is a political party.
We completely agree with you.
Yes.
But then you should contest on PTI, not SIC.
अब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आप देख लीजिएगा. My position is there was no barrier. Our position is that there was no constitutional barrier to us joining the SIC. After 3 days, SIC has a certain number of
Salman
members.
Sahab, we're fine with that. I mean, we're trying to explore the idea that SIC could be a political party, and there is perhaps looking at the constitution and having a pro-democratic kind of interpretation, we could start thinking that any political party off the shelf which is listed could be considered to be a political party of 51. Two things stand in the way, and I want you to address that. One is that when we talk about proportional representation system, this is perhaps talking about all those political parties that have joined, stepped down in the foray of elections. Whether or not we are clear kare. Does it talk about all sorts of parties which are on the shelf? Because proportional representation ka concept ही trigger नहीं करेगा if it does not maintain a balance between the people who come into the house. Number one. Number two, 3 days they have to take a decision. Don't you think that the electorate should have seen that political party in the electioneering process for them to know who's in the election process and the independent has joined in, rather than out of the blue comes a party that the independent joins? So लगता है कि the flow goes in the favor.
Let me now.
इसको जरा clear
Let me respond now, my lord. My lord, to say that there should have been a party in the fray, no matter how small, maybe a party in the fray which fights for one seat, doesn't even win that one seat, that somehow entitles people to join it, independents to join it, and have this large impact on the election of reserved seats. But if those independents form another party, which may otherwise be active in society, there are many political parties that don't contest elections because they don't have the money, they have a view, an ideology, a message, but they're not yet in a position to contest an election. So one of those parties these independents join.